What's up, KP family? It's Karen P. And of course, I'm back with another video. Listen, if you're new here, go ahead and join the KP family right now today. Hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. And of course, follow me on all social media platforms. It's Karen P. ITSKARENP straight across the search bar. Okay? Listen, y'all. By the title of the video, y'all already know what's going down. Just, you know, doing a little vlogging right now. I'm going to go and get my little nails done. Just, you know, do a little something. I just came back from having breakfast / lunch, you know, whatever. And I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead on and do something to these here nails. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep them up, but I'm actually going to a different nail tech, because the place that I was going to before, it was like within a week a nail was, I'm talking about literally lifting like come on, you know. And it's like every time I go back, and I always got to pay for a repair, to the point I was like, one time, y'all, two nails came off on one on each hand. I was like, you know what? So I just stopped. I said, you know, I'm not going to be spending my daggone money, you know, getting these acrylic nails and stuff. So I took a break from it. But then I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead on and try this again, but just go to someone, a different nail shop. So we're going to see how that go. Hopefully it work out for me. If not, I don't know. So we're going to see how that go. So once I get done with that, y'all, I'll be sure to, you know, tap back in. But I'm going to go on and show y'all, you know, sometime in this video, show y'all what I had, what I ate earlier today. So, as you know, your girl on her little weight loss journey. I got to make it do what it do. So y'all stay tuned. All right, KP family, I am back from getting my nails done. Yeah, something real cute, short and simple. You like? Yeah. I was like, you know what? Let me do the all white. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. You know, yeah, white. So right now, y'all, about to get up out these people parking lot. My uncle just hit me up. He need me to do him a favor real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead on and run my uncle that favor for me. You know, that's my uncle, honey. I love my uncle, you know. So I'll get back with y'all, you know. Stay tuned. Y'all, so y'all know I recently just changed my nose ring, the little jewelry or whatever, and honey, it's not working out for me. I noticed, I say, ooh, it's changing a little bit. Ooh, y'all, I said that is not gonna work for me. Let me pull up to this tattoo parlor and get me some nose jewelry, because I was gonna order it from Amazon, but honey, I just noticed it. I'm too scared to wait. I'm too scared to need, honey. I don't need no you know, no issues, no type of infection, none of that. And the thing is, I still have more. I have a couple more left in here. Two little pieces I got left in here from Claire's, but being that this one here done turned just like that, oh, I'm straight. So yeah, I just pulled up to the tattoo parlor. I got my uncle straight, so it's like, what in the world? Yeah, I got to get that right, like right now today. And just like that, your girl is done. Okay, just like that. Now, I don't know if y'all remember the one that I had prior to the hoop. Remember I told y'all don't remember, just go back and check out my videos. That one hadn't came out, you know, out of just check my video. So I just hope that the same thing don't happen with this one. But I'm thinking that it's not, for the simple fact that this is a L shape versus the other one that I had, and I used to have to keep turning it, you know. And I say, listen, I don't want that thing where I got to keep putting my finger in my nose to keep turning it and stuff. I really want the one where you put in and then, you know, the little screw, and you know, just screw the bottom in like a little flat back or whatever. But he been like, he ain't have it. I only had two options, this one and the one like that came out, you know, not too long ago. And they got all these here advertised on this damn Wonder about all this different type of jewelry piercings, but apparently not. But hey, it is what it is. I got something different. I hopefully, again, it works out for me. So yeah. So I'll get back with y'all. KP family. KP family.
I'm tired.
What's up, KP family? It's a new day. That's right, it is a new day. Listen, y'all, I'm driving right, and I heard on the radio the lady say that if you consistently invite somebody out for dinner or, you know, out to eat, and they don't respond or it never happens, will you keep asking them, you know, some way like that? Honey, I'm gonna go on and answer that question with y'all. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not kissing nobody's ass. Listen, y'all, I had a little point of time in my life where I would invite people, hey, let's go do this. And I discussed this before in one of my other videos. Just go check it out. Inviting, you know, people, hey, let's go out to eat. Let's go do this. Let's go do that. You know what I'm saying? And it was always an excuse. Okay, so with the excuse, once that excuse done passed, meaning, oh, I got to do this, why not hit me back up the following week or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Or 2 weeks later and say, hey, look, I done did, you know, I done took care of what I had to take care of or whatever, this, that, and the third. You still want to do, you know, what you said, you know, previously. That never happened. So after me reaching out so many times, I just fell back. I'm like, you know what? Nothing against anybody, but I'm not finna be doing that. I'm not gonna be, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. That's just the way the cookie crumble with me. I'm not doing it. So right now, y'all, your girl is on her way to the mechanic. I gotta get my car right. Y'all. I've been knowing this mechanic for so many years, like about 6-7 years. Yeah, so this is the mechanic that I use. Like, I know some of y'all call it, even I do, I call it a shade tree mechanic, because that's just what he is, a shade tree mechanic. And when I tell you, Ain't no shade about him. He is a mechanic that works up underneath the tree. And y'all know what that means, you know, shade tree up underneath the tree, you know, in shade working on your car. So he's very honest when it comes to my car. Anytime he repairs something or, you know, replace something or whatever in my vehicle, I don't have no issue with it. No issues with it. And he's one of those mechanics that where when he's working on your car and he notices something else, he brings it out. He called, you know, he's like, hey, you know, look, this, you know, while I'm up underneath the hood, you know, doing this, you might as well go ahead on and, you know, to take care of this one time, because it ain't make no sense. You know, y'all know what I'm saying? So I just go ahead on and, you know, let them do what it do. And yeah, and I done took my car. Well, I took this car that I have, my Honda Accord, to one mechanic in the shop to get something replaced, my AC blower, one time. And when I tell y'all, it was a few months later, my AC went to acting up again. The only reason why I had took it to him, that's because my regular shade tree mechanic was on vacation with his wife and family, you know, family. So I had them hit up another mechanic, and within a few months, my AC went to acting up again. So I hit up my regular shade tree, and he was like, oh, it's your AC blower. I was like, but how? I said, I just got it changed, you know, a few months ago. And then he said, well, I don't know. Maybe the guy that did it, maybe he put a used part in your car. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, went on and took care of that. You know, bought a brand new blower or whatever. And I ain't had no issues with my AC, and it's been over a year, pushing 2 years. I ain't had no issues with my AC, so this mechanic here, he's the real deal, you know. So yeah, y'all looking for a real good mechanic, holla at your girl. Oh yeah, y'all, real quick, congrats to the brat, yeah, and her wife, you know, congrats to them. Y'all see Brat Prego looking real pretty. Oh, congrats to them too. Congrats to them too. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all. So y'all, we are out here, okay? I need to get my engine mounts replaced. Engine mounts, motor mounts, whatever. But yeah, it is 4 of them things. So that is what he is currently doing. If any of y'all know what the engine mounts do, you know, once you stop the car and you go to hit gas, it kind of stumbles. It go to shake it a little bit, you know. So yeah, pick up one of them right here. That thing was doing up. But yeah. All right, KP family, I am out here. I got my car, you know, got my car right. My car driving like a damn champ. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, child. So yeah, y'all. Now I'm out here at this track getting my walk on, and it's so damn hot. But honey, I got to do what I gotta do. So, ooh, they got some type of event going on out here, honey. Y'all see it behind me? It's on the other side. I didn't get the memo. I didn't get the notice. Nothing. So I really don't know what's going on, but I know the sheriff's department is out here. It's on swole right about now. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all, woo! I'm gonna continue to get my walk on, and I'll get back with y'all. Okay? KP family, I thought I'd come on here real quick while I'm on this track here. I'm taking my brother Jeff advice. He says, sis, don't just be walking the damn track. Like, that's easy. Don't just walk the track. Walk and run. Walk and run. So y'all, that's what I've been doing. And hey, that's what I've been doing. So with me doing that, that's you know, burning them calories even quicker. You know, I got my little, you know, my little Apple Watch on, so I'm keeping track of what I'm doing right now, and it's really helping out. Like I say, speeding up the process. So shouts out to my brother Jeff for giving me that good advice. All right, y'all. All right, let me get back to doing what I need to do. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm gonna do a little bit of jump roping. It's all good. It's okay. Pick it up and go again. That's okay. Maybe I gotta get used to it. Lift up my feet more. I can get it done. Woo! Yeah. You gotta get in tune with it, you know? Yeah. It's all good. Whew. All right, y'all. This is what it's looking like, y'all. This is the first part of it. I am done. Let me show y'all the second part. This is the second part. I did a little over 3 miles, and y'all see the total calories and stuff. So yeah, KP family, y'all saw that. The proof is in the watch. Okay, your girl is done with her little walking and running, you know, doing a little jump roping, you know. I'm new at it, so, you know, y'all just, hey. But at the same time, y'all, your girl is tired, but I feel good because I'm pushing through. I'm not giving up. But with that being said, y'all, your girl will be back, okay? KP family, early morning bullshit. Look at this. Wake up, got ready for work. As I'm walking to my car, I say, what in the hell? Look at this. Y'all see this shit? Oh my gosh. So yeah, y'all already know that. So KP family, of course, it's a new day, but y'all see my tie? Y'all see that nail in my tie? Yeah, and your girl got to go to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to work, and when I get off of work, I'm gonna go ahead on and get my tie right. I was gonna take care of it on my lunch break, but I don't want to be late or nothing like that, because I don't know if the tire shop busy, this, that, and the third. I don't trying to get caught up in no traffic or nothing like that. So I say I'll just wait till I get off of work. And I had other plans, something else I wanted to go do when I get off of work. I actually wanted to go to the gym, which I'm still gonna do it, but it's just like, I want to go right after work, you know what I'm saying? So, but that ain't stopping nothing. It's just gonna start later on, you know. But YouTube family, I'm finna go ahead on and YouTube family, KP family. Y'all, I done told y'all hear me say YouTube family. Y'all know I mean KP family, cause you know. But I'm gonna go ahead on and focus on this here road, and I will get back with y'all later. KP family, I am fresh off of work. So yeah, y'all already know what that means. Listen, y'all, let me tell y'all something real quick. Y'all know how many tire shops I done passed since I got off of work. I done passed by 3 different tire shops. 3 different tire shops, y'all. But I'm so stuck in my ways. I am so stuck in my ways. Like I told y'all earlier in my vlog. I don't be wanting anybody working on my car. I done experienced that before. So what I'm going to do right now, y'all, is I'm going to the tire shop, which is closer to my house. I've been going there ever since high school days when I bought my first car. I'm going to that tire shop, y'all. So boys over there can get your girl right. Yeah, so that's just what it is. That's just what it is. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Comment down below saying that. I know it's not the original, but the rap one. Okay? Because I know it's an original version to that song. But comment down below which rapper saying that. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Alright, y'all. I'm going to get back with y'all. Y'all know I like to act a fool sometimes. But, yeah. I'll be back. Y'all, I done made it to the tire shop. The guy is literally working on my tire right now. He is getting your girl right. So, I'm real happy about that, because I need to get right, you know. So, with that being said, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see him. No, y'all can't see him. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. This is the tire shop, y'all. Just want to give y'all a quick little glimpse. Hey there. All right, KP family. Now I got my tire situated. I still got to go to the gym, but I just got a notification. An email from Amazon that my package is ready to be picked up at the Amazon locker. But I was like thinking to myself before even checking my actual account, I'm like, I could have sworn I had my package shipped somewhere else, because they said that the box was too big to fit in the Amazon locker box. So y'all, I think I was ordering something else and got confused or whatever. Oh, excuse me, whatever the case may be, however it went, I got kind of confused, y'all. But I gotta go pick up my package. Then I'm taking my ass to the gym. Okay, I'm gonna take my ass to the gym and get right. KP family, I got my package. Okay, just a little something, you know. Your girl had done order from, you know, Amazon. I forgot all about this. And the thing is, I need this, what's in here for this weekend. Y'all stay tuned for that, because that's gonna be a whole nother vlog. Or maybe I'll put it in this one. Yeah, I think we're gonna put it in this one because this is my weekly vlog, so it's part of the week. So yeah, but y'all just stay tuned. Okay.
How long you been doing this? Baking must be your specialty.
Yes.
Yeah, you was so right. There we go.
Look at that.
Yeah, it goes.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna cut yourself that first nice slice? Ooh, yeah. That looks good too. What? You lie.
Yes, good.
Wow, you did such a good job.
Dina Villa.
Cut this one in half. I think I put that wallpaper on. How do I put it on though?
Girl, go to sleep.
No, I want to do that.
No.
You don't wake
Yes.
up early. How do I do it?
All right, go ahead and share it out.
Water, right? You gotta sip water.
Pick it up.
Still? Yes.
Girl.
It has to be on a flat surface. Flat. Right.
I'll tip up.
I don't want to do all that. That's the thing.
wanna
This
Do it
is
the right
real.
way. You gotta.
What drink? It's a gallon of juice I had brought over here. We're not gonna do that. That's too much sweet. Okay. You sure?
I'm about to give you that good yard special.
I've been wanting something sweet.
Me
Remember,
too.
I was like trying to get like cornbread or something. Thank you. You're
Me
welcome.
pone me pasu. Thank you. I love God. Thank you, Kendrick.
Here, put the plate up there before it falls.
Thank you so much, Kendrick.
Mm-hmm. I think it's good too.
You're welcome.
I really don't eat cheese, but
Go quickly.
the first one I had tried was confetti. When you bought it from my birthday. But I at least had this one cake at Katie's birthday. That thing was good. She told me she got it from Publix. I think it was strawberry.
Yeah, some strawberry cake.
Wait, cream cheese batter. I mean icing or
Filling.
yeah, that shit was good. Like
There you go.
when I say good,
You're welcome.
it was super good.
Kid, don't lie.
You got me.
Let me get it, Kim.
So wait, how do you make it so cake? I want to try that chicken wing challenge.
Oh, why am I putting stuff on there?
It's for your other phone.
Okay, you can get it, sir.
Girl, I see blue underwear.
You say your mom gonna eat some?
She might. I don't know. Here you go. Oh my god. Wrong thing.
Blue underwear again.
Yeah, she's doing it. Why you using a fork? Why are you using a fork?
That's what I'm eating.
Uh-oh.
Y'all want the ice cream to go?
I like forks.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
I didn't use fork for
You
my
made?
life.
This for your mom. You wrap it up and put it in the freezer for her. All right, KP family. Y'all can see I made it to my gym. About to go get my workout on, y'all. KP families, y'all can see so far. This is how long I've been on the treadmill. Okay, so far, this is how long I've been on it. This is it, y'all. This is it. Okay, so y'all saw it. That's how much time I just spent on the treadmill. Y'all saw the whole summary. Cause yeah, y'all saw it. Okay, the girl ain't trying to hold nothing back. Okay, it's Karen P. So the next machine I'm about to get on, y'all. Well, I'm already on it. It's this little some type of bike thing. I don't know the name of it, but yeah, girl, it's on it. Let me show y'all. KP family, I was just about to leave up out of here because I was like, oh yeah, your girl is done. But just got that FaceTime call from my brother and my sis-law. They like, man, you better get your ass on that damn elliptical machine and get on that motherfucker for 15 damn minutes and make it do what it do. So yeah, KP family, this is the elliptical. So your girl finna get on this motherfucker. Okay. Low battery. I'm on the elliptical. KP family, your girl is done. Okay, I'm done. Yeah. Yeah. All right, KP family, your girl is done exercising, okay? Y'all want to see the full video of my workout? This workout session, I should say. Y'all be on the lookout for that because I'm gonna post it after I post this here vlog. So y'all stay tuned for the full workout video. All right. I am currently inside of Aldi's, y'all. I get some dinner, and this is what it is. Okay. Y'all stay tuned to see what I am going to prepare with this. No, let's see. All right, KP family, I am out of Aldi. You know, y'all know Aldi. You know, you got to pay for your bags and stuff up out of there or whatever. And y'all know what I'm saying? So I was like, you know what? I'm tired of buying them damn paper bags. So I just got me a little thumbnail Aldi bag. So I got me some little egg whites. Y'all know not a lot of things about from Aldi is like really y'all know name brand, but it's okay, honey. Let's see what it do, you know. So yeah, I got the liquid white eggs with the good old turkey bacon. Ooh, child, to my breakfast in the AM. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, I got that. I got the salmon, like I said earlier, you know, salmon, teeny, but healthy eating. Okay, so yeah, I also got this Mediterranean vegetables. Ooh, child, look at that. And you know what? This ain't even the one I meant to pick up. Faster. Eat this some shit. It's not the one I meant to pick up. This is not what I meant to get. Ready to roast. That's not what I meant to get, y'all. Damn it. The one I had, I sat it back down and then got the one, this was behind it, and got this fast and not reading. This is seasoned with basil, salt, pepper, garlic, oregano. Shit. Hey, we're gonna make it see, we're gonna see what it do, but yeah, I got that. And also got this right here. Some roasted potatoes and green beans. Yeah, so I wanna, oh yeah, and I had got this. I say, what, the rice? Avocado chunks. Yeah, it's frozen, but y'all, I said I could make me a good old smoothie with this. They showing you how to make your guacamole, but your girl ain't gonna do that, so I'm gonna put this in my smoothie. Probably make me a smoothie for lunch tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Yep. Always right, always ready. Ooh, child. If y'all didn't know, KP family, I love me some I'm about to say mango, some avocado. I love avocado. Oh, and I had grabbed me a Dasani water. Listen, y'all, I don't even like Dasani water, but I needed some water. I was so thirsty. They had this water and some type of mineral water, whatever. I was like, I don't want that. I don't want that. I'm like, now why they ain't got no damn Aquafina water? Couldn't drink this because this is so hot, you know, and your girl just got through working out, so I needed something nice and cold. That girl thirsty. But y'all know what I'm finna do? How about I'm finna go back inside Aldi Market to go get what I wanted, what I picked up, and sat back down and got what was behind it, because I'm just so extra like that. So I'm gonna show y'all what it was. I'm gonna show y'all. just what it was. Ooh. You know, when you got your mind set on something, you want what you want. You know, and I got a taste for it. All them extra other vegetables, well, the potatoes and green beans. I was like, I'm gonna use that with another meal. I can cook that tomorrow with something else. And I tell y'all, Aldi line reminds me of damn Walmart. Be so fucking long. Well, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get what I need up out of here again. KP family, let me show y'all what it was. The girl had to go back and get it. Damn! Get into it. Y'all see it? Ready to roast carrot and sweet potato. Seasoned with sea salt, garlic, rosemary, brown sugar, and pepper. I was like, ooh, I want this with my salmon, you know? And listen, y'all know when I see a good bargain and I could use it, I'ma get it. So I got this little, oh, you can barely see it, little doormat, and it says welcome at the bottom. Don't worry about the hearts. Oh, it ain't Valentine's no more. It don't even matter. You're welcome. You're welcome. JP family, y'all see how thick this doormat is? Y'all know how much I paid for that? $1.29. I say, well, shoot, why not? So yeah, I got it. $1.29. Are you out of your mind? KP family, this is the carrots with the sweet potato. So how about the instructions said to put this here in the oven? But I'm not doing that. I'm finna stir fry this thing right here on the stove top. You know what I'm saying? This right here is the salmon, Simone, all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead on and put this thing here in the air fryer. Okay, and make it do what it do, baby. KP family, this is my dinner. Y'all see it? The sweet potato with the carrots and my little air fried salmon. Yep, this is it right here, y'all. This is it. It's Karen P. KP family, we are currently in Publix. It is Kendrick's birthday today, and it's like, come in here and pick you a cake, kid. And this is what he picked: an Oreo ice cream cake. Okay. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kendrick. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay, Kendrick.
Make a wish.
What's your wish?
Make a wish.
What's your wish, baby?
Shoot upon the stars.
All right. Woohoo.
Not every day you get to turn 9.
Right. Happens once in a lifetime.
How long you been doing this?
Baking must be your specialty.
Yes.
Yeah, you was so right. There we go.
Look at that.
Yeah, it goes.
That's nice.
Mm.
You gonna cut yourself that first nice slice? Ooh, yeah, that looks good too.
What? Ula.
Yes, good.
Wow, you did such a good job.
Dina villa.
Cut this one. KP family, it is a new day. I'm currently out and about. I was just at Home Goods, but y'all, the music was just which I could have, but whatever. It was just too much going on for me. But I know y'all wanted to see where I was gonna be heading at over the weekend, but my plans got canceled because my son Kendrick is sick, so I can't go. So the package that I had picked up, the Amazon package, it has to go back. Yeah, so. But the outfit that I bought, I'm keeping the outfit. But I had, what was in the package was a little masquerade mask, because I was going to go to a masquerade party. My sis-in-law's grandmother birthday party. But sorry, Mama, I'm not able. I wasn't able to make it. But may God bless you with plenty more birthdays. Right, we about to go inside what this Five Below, and I can see what it do. Got some of these, cause yeah, your girl gonna need this here. Okay. I'm so excited. All right, KP family, this is the end of my weekly vlog. But before I close this video out, I'm gonna show y'all my little shopping haul from Five Below. Okay, got this little step platform. Got the step risers. Got me the good old medicine ball. Ooh, child. Check me out now. I got me 2 of these things. 2 dumbbells. Like this exact right here. 2 of these. And I got this type of dumbbell. Just 1 though. Your girl got her. Listen, I ain't playing. My fitness gloves, okay? And yeah, last but not least, yeah, girl, yeah. So, yeah. My brother Jeff said, don't be getting all this stuff and you ain't using it at home. Oh, trust and believe. I'm going to be using it at home like I told him. And I'm telling y'all, your girl going to use this. All these equipments that I bought here at home. Yeah, the days that I don't go to the gym, you know, I'm not able to, honey, work out at home. It's no excuses, okay? So yeah, thank y'all so very much for tuning in. And of course, if you're not already part of the KP family, go ahead on and join today. Hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, give this video and all my videos a big thumbs up. Comment down below, and yeah, follow me on all social media platforms. It's Karen P, ITSKRENP, straight across the search bar, okay? Listen, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell her auntie to tell her daddy, and the grandma and the grandpa to tell their neighbors that be sitting out there on the porch walking their chairs. Subscribe to It's Karen P, okay? Once again, it's Karen P, and I'm out like OUT.